For 2 weeks, this 300mm pipe at a water treatment plant in Malaysia had been left to leak at 6 bar pressure through a 4mm hole. The plant could not shut the pipe off because of how important it was. They could not use a clamp because the leak was on a saddle joint, which sat 15mm above the line. They thought it could not be repaired. But then, a SylWrap contractor case arrived on site. 3 wrap and seal tapes were wrapped over the pipe. The tapes amalgamated to form a solid rubber band containing the leak. The repair was then reinforced with SylWrap pipe repair bandage. It took under 1 hour to complete the repair, and the pipe remained live throughout. Not as impossible as the plant first thought.